Space Station. Houston now controlling the midnight ride of Rick Sturckow and his crew to the International Space Station. Discovery rolling on to the proper alignment for its 8.5-minute ride to orbit. 4.5 million pounds of hardware and humans taking aim on the International Outpost.
That's it.
32 seconds into the flight. 3 liquid fuel main engines soon will throttle back to 72% of rated performance down in the bucket, reducing the stress on the shuttle as it goes transonic. Discovery 3.5 miles in altitude. 4 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center. Standing by for the throttle up call now from Captain Eric Bowe. Discovery. The throttle up call acknowledged by Commander Rick Sturckow, joined on the phone.
And Patrick, for the record, this is my 101st space shuttle launch, and you know, you just never get used to the nighttime ones. Anybody watching near the Kennedy Space Center, it looked like a sunrise immediately appearing on the launch pad. And now, actually, the shuttle launch pad still lit up by some of the residual flame and smoke from Discovery's takeoff. And at this point, the shuttle arcing away from us, and you can very clearly see it as a slowly moving star. And they should be dropping off those solid rocket boosters in about 15 seconds or so. Quite a sight.
Yeah, and a beautiful picture indeed this afternoon too, Pat, as the sun set across the Indian Lagoon there, the Indian River Lagoon, looking at the shuttle just silhouetted in the sunset. It was a fantastic sight.
Yes, indeed. In fact, I think the last mission Endeavour, they had the moon right next to it. So obviously there was a lot of speculation that somebody's going to make a greeting card out of that picture. So, but anyway, we were talking earlier about the astronauts who will be making this flight. By the way, we're 2 minutes into liftoff. Let's confirm those boosters have dropped away.
Separation, guidance now converging. The onboard computers steering the shuttle for its precise path to the International Space Station.
There we go, Patrick. The solid rocket boosters have dropped away. In fact, we can actually see them high above the Kennedy Space Center moving away. In fact, we almost missed that time call because as a proud member of the University of Central Florida and a graduate of 1984, I almost forgot that we have a UCF grad among the crew. Nicole Stott is a member of the Space Shuttle Discovery crew. She'll be going aboard the International Space Station as a full-time member. And after graduating from UCF, she started working at the Kennedy Space Center and wound up working over at Johnson.
It was kind of an evolution towards realizing that, you know, maybe there was an opportunity to follow the astronaut path. And I trusted in some mentors that I had here that are still very close friends who encouraged me to apply. And I think that's ultimately how it